Okay, in the last video class, we have learned how to create an object with functions. That function was without any parameter. So now we have to learn a function with arguments or the parameters. Suppose I have two properties in my function and the values of these two properties are coming through the argument. So I will write the function keyword. Then I will write the name of the function, so that is house. And the two arguments here are LOC, that's for location, and COL, that's for the color. And then I will write the curly brackets. Now these two values in the function are coming through the objects. So LOC will have the value of the location property and COL will have the value of color property. Now inside the function you have to write like this, then dot, and after this you have to write the property name, that is location, and its value will be LOC. And again I will write this, then dot, and after that the property name, that is color, and its property and its value is COL. Okay, now so these two parameters are now set it as the value of properties, but we also have to pass the value of LOC and COL, and we will do that when we will be creating the object of this function. So I will write the object, so I will write it outside the function. I will write where, then we have to write obj underscore house, that's the name of the object, then new, and then the name of the object is object method is house, and in that I can pass the parameters. So I can write Krishna Nagar for the location, and I will write orange as the color, then semicolon at the end. So through this way LOC now have the value Krishna Nagar and COL now have the value orange, which is the argument for function house. Again we need to print them on the screen, so I will write here like this. I will write document dot write, then I will write like this, location is, then equals to, and after that for concatenate then I will write this plus, after that obj underscore house dot property name, that is location, and then I will concatenate it again for a next line. So I will write br, then a semicolon, then again I will write the same, but this time I need to write color is obj underscore house, then location, not the location, it will be color here. Okay, now save this and refresh your web browser. Okay, I think there is some mistake here to write this. Okay, so the mistake is the mistake in the spelling of document, so I just have to correct it. Okay, now save this and go back and refresh, and here is our output. So what we have learned in this video class, when we are creating the object, okay, here it is, when we are creating the object we can pass the values at that time also, and those values will be the arguments for the function, and then simply use those values inside the function. So till now we have created function and accessed the properties with parameters and without parameters, and that's all about the objects with function. And let me tell you one more thing. Suppose here we are 4 properties instead of 2, let's make it 4. So I need to change my code. I will write LOC COL, then I will write AG for the age and ST for the story. Okay, then I write this dot location LOC, this dot color COL, then this dot age is equals to AG, then this dot then story is equals to ST, then a semicolon, and then in the calling I will write 1998, and then I will write here 2, Okay, so this function has now 4 properties. Now if I want to access all 4 values, then I have to write this document.write statement 4 times. So let's do the same thing in a better way using the loops. So this will make your script short and better to understand. So I will be using for in loop. So I will just delete this, and I don't want to write it 4 times, so I will be writing a loop, that's the for in loop. So I will write for, then variable I, in what? This will be in obj underscore house, and then curly brackets. Okay, we just have to write it one time now. So I will write it here, document dot write, then we have to write here the obj underscore house, and then in square brackets I will write I, and then we have to concatenate it with a break, okay, then a semicolon, and now you're done. We can also access these properties using index. So when the value of I change, it will show the properties. And save this page and go back to here and refresh the page. Okay, you can see I am now accessing the values using the index of properties. So that was the quick example of for in loop to access the values. We will be using this many times in arrays. So that's all for this video. I see you in my next video class. Thank you.